So students, we come to the second question. From the top of a lighthouse, an observer looking at a ship makes an angle of depression 60 degree. If the height of the lighthouse is 90 meter, find how far the ship is from the lighthouse. Root 3 is equal to 1.73. They have given the value of root 3. So accordingly write down the claim and then draw the figure. So first and foremost we have to draw a lighthouse. Let us consider AB as the lighthouse and the observer is standing at the top. That means he is standing at point B. So from point B we have to draw a horizontal line, and let us consider that horizontal line as AN. So this person is observing a ship. Suppose the ship is at here there is a ship. Consider, let us take this as S. So observer is observing from the top of the lighthouse the ship. So this will be your line of vision. So this is your horizontal line and this is line of vision. So angle formed is NBS, and this angle is angle of depression, which is given 60. Now what is given? Angle of depression, height of the lighthouse is 90 meter. Height of the lighthouse is 90 meter. So accordingly write down all in the solution. So students, so accordingly let AB be the lighthouse, AS be the distance of ship from the lighthouse, point S be the position of the ship, and point B be the position of the top of the tower. Now again from the figure, or you can write from the problem, we get AB equal to 90 meter, angle BAS is equal to 90 degree, angle MBS, measure angle MBS, the angle of depression is equal to 60 degree. Therefore we have angle MBS equal to angle BSA equal to 60 degree. Reason, alternate angles test. Alternate angle test. Hope you must have understood how to write down from the figure the given points. And then we have a right angle triangle BAS, in which this angle BSA is equal to 60 degree, and side opposite to this is AB, and we have to find the distance AS. So students, in right triangle BAS, tan of angle BSA is equal to opposite side AB upon adjacent side AS. Reason, trigonometrical ratio. Therefore tan 60 degree is equal to AB is given 90 upon AS. We have to find out. So what is the value of tan 60? Root 3 is equal to 90 upon AS. So write the result. Tan 60 degree is equal to root 3. Shifting AS to the right hand side, we get AS and root 3 to the left hand side. Now exchanging, we get 90 upon root 3. Then in the previous class we have learned how to rationalize the denominator. So here multiply by root 3 to the numerator as well as to the denominator. Therefore we have 90 root 3 upon 3. AS is equal to 90 root 3 1 330 times AS is equal to 30 multiplied by root 3 value is given in the question 1.73. So after multiplying 30 to 1.73 we get AS is equal to 51.90 meter. Therefore, lastly you have to write down the sentence which we have written in the claim, and that is, therefore distance of the ship from the lighthouse is 51.90 meter. Hope you must have understood how to find either the height or the distance from the tower or from the building or from any any distance can be found out. And every now and then, most of the time, opposite and adjacent will be only related. Either any one of this value will be given. So therefore, always we have to make use of tan. In rare case, they may ask you to find out the hypotenuse. In such cases, we have to use either sin or cos depending upon the value. So for the homework, do the question number 3rd and copy down this in your notebook. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.